I prophesy over your life tonight. There is greatness in your voice. There is power in your words. There will come a time when heaven will lift your name, and kings and nations will gather just to hear what you will say. The words you speak in secret will shake the hearts of men. What they ignored in your wilderness will become their treasure in the end. Don't despise your small beginnings. God is preparing your voice. The oil upon your lips is growing, and heaven has already made its choice. I prophesy, your word shall carry fire. People will search for your counsel like water in the desert dry. I prophesy, your voice will shift destinies. Nations will hunger for wisdom that flows from your spirit deep. Like Esau longed for Isaac's blessing, men shall long to hear from you. For the hand of God is upon you, and His promises are true. The same mouth they laughed at will become a river of life. The same voice they rejected will speak healing through the night. Doors will open at your speaking, chains will break at your decree, because heaven backs the words of those who walk in purity. You shall not speak empty words. You shall not walk ordinary ways. There is oil upon your tongue. There is glory on your life. Prophets shall recognize you. Kings shall honor grace on you. And what God has placed inside you, no man can silence anymore. I prophesy increase. I prophesy favor. I prophesy wisdom. I prophesy divine authority. Your words shall heal the broken. Your voice shall awaken generations. And many shall say, speak, servant of God, speak. I prophesy, the world will hear your sound. The hidden gift inside you will no longer stay underground. I prophesy, God is raising you in power, and your words will become precious in the appointed hour. Speak, Lord, and let your servant speak. For a generation is waiting to hear the words you placed within me.